In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert number to word in Excel. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing, commenting, and liking the video. Now, first of all, you need to open your Excel. Then, as you can see, I have numbers on this side, then word on this side. Then you need to enable developer option. So to enable developer option, you'll go to File, then go down, then More, then Options. Then go to Customize Ribbon. Then on this side on your right, you are going to scroll down a little bit. Then you will see developer option here. You need to check that box. Then OK. Then as you can see, developer option has appeared here. Now go to developer option. Then come on your left, select Visual Basic. Then it will land you here. So on the top, you are going to see Insert. Click on it. Then Module. Then this thing will appear on your screen. So you are going to copy this code here. I'm going to leave this code in the video description. You are going to copy the whole of this code, Control A, Control C to copy. Then you will go back to Excel. Then you are going to paste it here, Control V. Then once you've done that, you will now close this one. Then you will close this one. Then you will now come back here. On this side of the word, you are going to enter equal sign. Then write number to words. Select number to words. Then you are going to select the cell where your number is. Then you are going to close the bracket. Then press on enter. Then to change all the numbers here, you are going to drag. You are going to drag this to the last number there. Then as you can see, the numbers have been converted to word. So that's it, guys. That's how to convert number to word in Excel. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider subscribing, commenting, and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.